Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to join a Zoom meeting. Okay, so right here, you just have to log into your account and then just have to enter the meeting ID or the personal link name. Okay, so of course, you have to ask the host to send you the meeting link. So for example, I'm on my other account, so I'm going to create a new meeting. Okay, so after that, just click on the start option, assuming that I am the host for this one. So you just have to ask the host for the meeting link. Okay, so let me just get the meeting link. So let's just go to the meeting info and then view the join info. So right here, you just have to get the meeting ID. Okay, so simply click on this option. So just have to copy the meeting ID and then of course you have to paste it right here. After that, click on join. Okay, and then you just have to download the application in order for you to join the meeting. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.